Save time and effort by letting the Samsung PowerBot R7040 robotic vacuum handle the vacuuming for you. The PowerBot delivers 20x more powerful cleaning on all floor types when compared to a conventional robot vacuum with its circular design. Easy pass wheels move smoothly over obstacles, transitioning from hard floors to carpet with ease. Nothing can hide from the edge. Clean Master's innovative rubber blade as it extends out to clean hard-to-reach areas like corners and along the edges of the wall. Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to remotely control your robot vacuum on your smartphone or through voice-enabled devices such as Bixby Alexa or Google Assistant. Tested internally on Samsung PowerBot VR7000 and Samsung conventional through SmartThings application. Alexa devices, Bixby devices, and Google Assistant devices sold separately. Brush width 11.38 inches. Display 7-segment washable filter. Yes, suction up to 10 watt. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Wi-Fi connectivity. Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to remotely control your robot vacuum on your smartphone or through voice-enabled devices such as Bixby, Amazon Alexa, or Google Assistant. Number 2. Recharge and resume. Automatically returns to docking stations to recharge and then resumes cleaning until the end divided by 40. The job is complete. Number 3. Cyclone Force technology. Long-lasting suction power with less clogging. Number 4. Easy pass wheels. Large wheels move smoothly over obstacles, transitioning from hard floors to carpet with ease. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Does it works with Google Home and SmartThings Hub? Answer. R7040 will connect to the SmartThings, but it currently does not connect to Google Home. Question number 2. Do I need Alexa to run this? I don't have one and cannot see any use for an Alexa in my home. I can turn on the radio without Alexa. Answer. You do not need Alexa to run the vacuum. It comes with a remote when purchased new in the box. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.